Okie dokie, folks. We got a long walk. We heard a turkey clear on the other end of this field, so we gotta walk this fence line all the way down. See if we can get on it. We only got 2 days left in the season and we haven't killed anything.
What's up, guys? So I got another turkey hunt coming at you, and this one was from 2014, and it actually was right after we got back from a turkey hunt down in southern Ohio with my buddy Mike and Ben. And we got back and we hadn't shot anything. We didn't shoot anything down in Ohio. We hadn't been able to really get out much in Michigan, but we got out and we had some permission on some farmers' fields, so we started doing some driving and we were able to spot some birds. Turns out we were just having horrible luck calling stuff in. We really weren't great turkey callers at all, and we quickly realized we needed to adapt, and we started moving on birds, and that's when things started really happening for us.
Selfie. I gotta have a selfie. I refuse to be hidden. I will be on camera. Even if it means I hold the camera up like this. There's bunnies all over in here. You wanna yelp a couple times? Alright, let's keep moving. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Come on. You know you want to. We spotted him. There's no way you'll be able to see him, but he's down here in this field, probably 300 yards. He's just strutting around in the middle of nowhere. My guess is that his hen is on this fence line and he's out there. We're definitely gonna have to cover some ground to close in on him. You can just, here, bend over and just sneak out there. You can just see a black dot out there in that field. That gobbler's getting really close on the other side. So, all right, let's go. You on it? Got it. You on it? Can you see it? Oh, gee whiz. All right, hurry up. Let's get decoys set up in the other field. Do it now. Watch that gobbler. Watch that gobbler. Switch. Take that. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. That, give me the telephoto. No, give it to me. Get the whole thing. All right, well, here, we need to switch spots like now. Here. I'll just shoot it from back here. All right, with me. Are you sure? All right. Are you on it? I'll tell you when to shoot. I got the screen. I can't see it on your camera. Dude, is your camera on it? Your camera's not on it. Yeah, now wait, turn your camera left. We got two. We just tagged out in 2 minutes. Holy cow, people. You have no idea what we just did.
You know they do, they saw. You just shot 2 birds.
It's like boom, boom.
I wonder why that gobbler's so stupid.
Yeah, he came into our shot.
I mean, seriously, folks. Throw your turkey calls away and buy some more shotgun shells.
Yeah, no kidding, because we've been calling for like the past 2 months and we haven't had anything.
They're coming into the gunshots now.
Well, I'm gonna go grab my boots first so they don't soil up my Hanes socks. I wanted to be all stealthy. Go grab this bird. I got some nice spurs on this puppy. Holy crap. Those are some hooks, bird. Holy Moses.
Check it out, that's the biggest.
That is a nice bird. Let's check out the tail feathers on him. That's a nice bird. Nice beard.
That That's a dominant bird right there.
That is a nice bird. That's probably the best bird I'll kill in a little while.
I think he was a nice one, man. It wasn't that big, but.
This guy. This is the most exciting turkey hunt I've had in a long time.
I'm definitely turkey hunting next year.
Yeah. Go like 2 months and not shoot a bird, and then have this happen. Yeah,
It's worth it. Now we're gonna go look at our bird. My bird. My turkey's right there. My bird's somewhere out there.
My turkey's right there.
Your turkey, whatever. I really don't know where the bird went because it's scuffled and grassy there, and it can't be that big if he hides beneath a couple inches of grass. We'll see.
You shot a baby.
Yeah, he's not big,
He's not small.
but he's dead. He's dead. Still a good bird. Look it up. Yeah, he's medium. He's not huge. He's a smaller bird, but
That's not bad.
yeah, he's not bad. I mean, what's that, an inch? Probably.
Yeah, those are real decent spurs.
What's his bird look like? Yeah, it's pretty decent. He's better than my bird last year.
Nice, man. Congrats.
All right, let's go stack them up next to the other one. Gotta have that sweet looking shot. Telling you what, if you're not having good luck turkey hunting, get a new spot and shoot. This is the dumbest bird I've ever seen. That, my friend, is what we hunt for.
Yeah, no kidding.
I'll turn mine over too. Mine's just gotta look just pretty. That guy's purpler. Purple. Purple. Yours is definitely a lot more full than mine. Mine's still a beaut.
It's a beaut.
And it's neat.
How neat is that?
Pretty neat.
It's pretty neat.
How neat is this, folks?
It's
Pretty neat.
Jonathan had said that he saw some turkeys out here earlier.
It's a couple days ago.
Yep. So
Hunting right over there. I could see these birds all through here. Hey, we got 2 birds down.
Wow.
Stupid thing walked right into. So if you ever need to shoot a turkey, unload your gun.
they might come running.
Yeah. They're dumb, but they can be hard to hunt. So don't ask me how that works.
This was a really cool hunt that I will definitely not forget. Killing 2 turkeys right back to back with my brother John was awesome.
Jonathan's got all the gear, which means I have to carry the birds. We'll see how doable this is. I'm just kidding. There's not that much of a difference. This is really difficult. I'm just gonna carry yours and let it drag on the ground.
Hope you guys are having a great spring. If you haven't got out there and done much turkey hunting, go out there and do it. But make sure you grab a buddy and do it with your buddy, because I guarantee you it'll be more fun if you're out there with somebody else. Even if they don't know diddly squat about turkey hunting, I bet you they'll think it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.